Hey friends, and welcome back. Today I wanted to share with you our end of year teacher gifts. Say hi.
Hi guys, today we're doing a craft for my teachers.
Okay. We are doing flower pots again this year. Last year we painted rollers on the top of our flower pots, and I will link that for you guys if you want to check those out. This year, Ayla's favorite part of school this year was raising butterflies, and they released them. So I thought, what a perfect gift for her teachers to paint a flower pot with butterflies for them for this year. So what we're doing now is we're just taking some blue acrylic paint and painting the top of our terracotta pot all the way around with blue. After our blue sky was dry, we just took some white acrylic paint and we are going to put some clouds all around the top of our pot. So this was really easy for Ayla. She is 4 years old, and we just had her take the brush and just kind of pounce all the way around the top. And it doesn't have to be perfect because clouds aren't perfect. So she just pounced her clouds all around the top of our sky. Beautiful. And after our clouds are dry, we just took some orange paint to do the wings of our butterflies. And I'm just having her take her finger, and we're putting 4 dots for each butterfly. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and those will end up being the wings for our butterfly. And I ended up putting, I think, 4 all around the top of our pot. And again, these don't have to be perfect. She kind of like smushed the top 2 wings of this last butterfly together there, but it doesn't really matter. We're going to go back with some black and kind of accent out the butterfly a little bit more so we can tell what it is. So it doesn't really matter if their fingerprints aren't super perfect. So I'm just taking my black. If you feel more confident using a Sharpie, you could do this with a Sharpie too. I was just using a really thin brush and painting a line down the center of my butterfly, adding some antennas, and then I'm adding some dots around the wings as little accents. And you can totally customize this part of the gift if you want to do all orange butterflies like we did because they raised monarch butterflies. You can do that. If you want to do different color butterflies, you can do different color butterflies. I just really loved this project, and I hope her teachers loved them as much as we did. And then this was those fingerprints that got a little bit smushed together, but again, it wasn't that big of a deal because we are going to make it look like the beautiful butterfly that I know it is. So I just drew a line down the middle, added those antennas again, and then added some dots around, and it looks like a butterfly now, so it's good to go. You want to make sure that your kid adds their name in their handwriting because they worked so hard on teaching them to write their names this year. And then we are adding these flowers just right into our pots, and also this butterfly stake. Again, because of the whole kind of butterfly theme, I saw these at the store. They were less than $2 at Walmart, and I was just obsessed with them, and it kind of inspired this whole project, finding these little butterflies. And I leave the plants in their planters just like that. That way, if they want to add them to their garden, they can do that, or they can plant them in the pot if they want. And I always like to add a first day of school picture, and a last day of school picture with thank you for helping me grow, so they can see Ayla and how much she grew this year. Thanks so much for watching, guys. As always, you can find more from us here. Make sure you subscribe so you can follow all of our adventures. Give it a big thumbs up and let me know down in the comments, are you still in school? Are your kids still in school, or are they done for the year? Summer is just around the corner. Bye, guys.